Hey guys, Diecast Direct, and today we'll be talking about my Walmart experience. So before I get into this video, guys, we hit 100 subscribers. Oh my goodness, 100 of you watching these videos pretty much daily. And to give something to you guys, get back to all my subscribers, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. But I don't know what to give away. So right now, go comment below, right there, comment below what I should give away. And hopefully it's something, not too expensive, but we'll comment, and I'll pick the most commented or the most likes, and that's what I'll be giving away. But anyways, guys, let's get into the video. Basically, the real reason why you guys came to watch. So pretty much, if you know me, I do a lot of Hot Wheels hunting videos, and most of them are at Walmart. So basically, Walmart is pretty much something that I would consider amazing, something that I would consider helpful, especially when getting Hot Wheels. But yesterday, they basically ripped me off. So yesterday what happened was I went Hot Wheels hunting. Roll the clip. Hey guys, Diecast Direct, and today we're going Hot Wheels hunting at Walmart. Now the cars here are 94 cents, which is pretty amazing. And hopefully we can find something good, so I'll start off by taking a look at some cars. I see the reprinting. And as you saw, the Hot Wheels cars were 94 cents. But what happened was, Walmart charged me the full price, $125. Now, you can see on the receipt, I have the receipt right here. I'm blurring that the other stuff out for security or safety purposes. But you can see here, $125, so $250, tax, all that stuff. And you can see items sold too. Now, you don't believe me? Here's some proof. That's yesterday, okay? Here's the time, exact time. I know, a lot of you need to know that. So basically, I did buy some cars, okay? I bought this Zamac model, D-Muscle, pretty nice Zamac model. And then I bought the 32 Ford Zamac, also in Zamac. This one's a pretty rough shape, but I had to get it, especially for the collection. And yeah, I mean, I really like these. So anyways, Hot Wheels made these, and I really wanted to pick them up. And then at Walmart, I got them from the 94 cents bin, as you saw earlier, the 94 cents bin. And Walmart charges me $1.25 each. So basically, this isn't such a big deal. But let's say I was getting for resale or for my collection, I was getting 100 cars. So Walmart would have charged me way too much for those 100 cars. I got them out of the 94 cents bin, so why are they charging me $1.25? Now I know it's only a few cents difference. A few cents won't kill me, but still, I'm pretty disappointed. Walmart, what's going on? Why are you charging me way too much? Now I do know a lot of stores, what they do is if they give you the wrong price, they'll give it to you for free. I don't know if that applies to you in your country, but where I live, that's how it works. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say anymore. Walmart, this was my experience. I'm not that happy. But, again, these cars are worth some money. This one's worth around, they're basically worth around the $5 range. Sometimes less, sometimes more. Still, I would have preferred to pay 94 cents rather than the $1.25 each. 94 cents would have been better. Now, actually, I didn't even notice this until I got home. I'm checking the receipt. I'm home, I'm checking the receipt. I'm making sure everything's good, and, well, I realized they overcharge me. Not overpay, that'd be pretty nice, though. They overcharge me. Guys, be aware. Be sure. I don't even know what to say, guys. Make sure you know what you're getting and how much you're paying for it. Make sure you're paying the right amount. Obviously, I was not paying attention and got charged. Yeah. Again, guys, I'm in shock. I didn't even notice until a few hours ago, actually, today, that they overcharged me. So anyways, guys, let's conclude the video. Be aware of what you're buying. The message here, I don't want to make I don't want to be against Walmart, because most of my Hot Wheels hunting videos take place there. But again, just, watch out what you're buying. Make sure you know the price, because sometimes they might just overcharge you. Here's some videos you might want to check out. Yes, Hot Wheels hunting, but not at Walmart. Today I'm a little bit angry at Walmart. Again, guys, comment down below what you think I should give away, because we hit 100 subscribers. Next goal will probably be 200 subscribers. If we hit that, then that's another massive giveaway I'll do. But for now, let me know what you want me to give away, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.